everyone. This is your introduction video for the week. So instead of just me talking, I made a little slideshow for you to make it a little bit easier for us to understand what's going on. So today is Monday, September 25th. Good morning. You are in Miss Garza's math class. All right, so this is the last week of the 6 weeks. The first 6 weeks is almost done. We have this week left. So grades are due for teachers on Friday. Okay, so make sure that you are turning everything in and getting all your work done for everybody. Okay, today. So this week is important. This week is very important. So if you're coming back to school the following week, all your online grades still apply. Okay, you didn't do this for nothing. I promise. We are all taking things very seriously and making sure that you are getting all your work done. So grades are due by us on Friday. So my grades in Skyward will be updated. They will be updated with grades, with your current grades, and any missing assignments that you still have for me. So after Friday, any zero, I'm going to move this thing so you can see if I can. There we go. Any grades after Friday that you have in my grade book that are zeros, they will have to go, that are missing, they will have to go in as zeros. So please be checking that. If you have questions about details, directions, what you're supposed to do for what, for your missing assignments, email me. Let me know, please. Okay, email is the fastest way to get to me. You can email me. You can chat, Google Chat. I get those really quick. They pop up on my screen. They even make a little notification sound. So those are pretty cool. So previous assignments before this week. So you have those classroom videos that I post, and it's on the stream. It's not in classwork. I was doing classwork, but I really wasn't posting assignments on Google Classroom because all of our assignments are usually in IXL. That's for a reason. I don't want you thinking that you turn in an assignment on Google Classroom and then you're done. Okay, you have to be in IXL. So classroom videos on the stream are important for you to watch. If I know that you're not watching them, I know that we're not learning. Okay, this is there for you to learn. So classroom videos on your stream is part of your assignment. Those weekly notes that I was saying to turn in on Fridays, I wasn't getting very many, but I was getting some very, very good ones from the people who did turn them in. So good job. Those are also assignments. Your IXL assignments. Every so often, I will let you know in my announcements when I'm posting new IXL assignments. And whenever I do that, you have to go to IXL and you have to work on them. And remember, I need you to get up to an 80, and that's it. At the end of this video, I will show you a quick review on how to use IXL. Okay. The other thing was the diagnostic. So you had the diagnostic last Friday. So not yesterday, 2 days ago, that you needed to complete. So it was 30 minutes. If you didn't do that, I can see the time length that you spend. Okay. Remember that it is not important to get all the questions right. You do not get 100 for getting them all right. You get 100 for doing them and trying and giving your best effort. Okay. Okay. So let me just make sure that I didn't skip a slide. I know that's weird, but okay. This week's assignments. This week's assignments will be classroom videos also. You will be learning about two-step equations. So last week we learned about one-step equations, did the diagnostic. This week we're going to do lots of equations, two-step equations, and combining like terms. So I don't know if this is something you heard last year, but this is something we're doing this year. So two different things. Two-step equations, combining like terms. These kind of go hand in hand. So that's why they're together. Okay, we're going to have lots of videos each day. Maybe not lots of videos. Videos each day for you to watch. Some will be by me. They're all previously recorded. Okay. Some will be by me. Some will be things that I found on the internet because I don't want you just hearing one way of teaching, I guess I should say. I want you to get a feel of a lot of different ways to solve equations. The reason is I understand that online is a little bit harder to watch a video and learn. Okay, I get it, but we have to find a way to do it. Okay, we have to. You will have IXL assignments that go with those videos, so it will be over two-step equations and combining like terms with equations. So we're still solving equations. It's going to get a little bit tougher and a little bit tougher. On Friday, again, you will be asked to do 30 minutes of diagnostic, IXL diagnostic. You have to get into IXL. You have to, and do this diagnostic before the 6 weeks is over, okay? This is what we're using instead of iStation, so just remember that. Okay. The big part. Okay, your responsibilities as an online learner. All right, so if you are learning online, these are responsibilities that you have to understand are yours and no one else's. You have to watch all the videos posted by your teacher. I can't watch them for you. I make them and I find them and I watch them and I, figure out all that stuff for you. Please don't leave me hanging, okay? You have to watch them all and you cannot skip through. Read all the announcements, all the directions posted by your teacher, because I promise you, everything that I have ever answered usually is in the directions or the announcements. Not everything that I've ever answered, but a lot of the stuff. I'm like, oh, it was there. I said it. Okay, so please just read it. I know you forget, so it's no big deal, but please read it, reread it if you have to go back. Just things like that. Take notes and show your work. So the videos that I post, I need you taking notes over those, showing your work on the IXL questions, and that is because it will help you. The more you show your work, the more you figure out those things through your learning, your practice, it will better you. Okay, the struggle that you go through whenever you're doing math homework, it is part of the process, okay, that helps your brain grow. If you're not struggling, you're not really learning, okay? If you already knew all of it, there's no learning to it. Advocate for yourself if you're struggling. This one right here. Advocate advocate for yourself means you go out and you help yourself by finding someone to help you, okay? If you're struggling with something, please email me. Please contact me somehow. Please let me know, all right? But you have to watch the videos. You cannot say, I don't get none of this stuff, Ms. Garza. Can't say that. The reason is you get something. You get something. You understand something in the videos. It's just there's something that's not clicking. I need you to be very specific when you ask me questions, okay? Because I can't see what you're doing in front of me, so I can't help you with that. Try again. That means I need you to keep trying. Don't give up. You can't just post something and just not post something. I can't post something. You try it one time and be like, well, that was hard. I'm never doing it again. Can't do that. It doesn't work. Okay. You will not get better at it if you don't try again. Check your Google Classroom every day for announcements. Okay, each Google Classroom, each of your teachers have Google Classrooms, which means you should be checking them for announcements and even assignments. Okay, these should be shown in the stream. Your classwork assignment should be shown in stream, but make sure that if you're on Google Classroom that you're checking the stream and the classwork. Okay. And then also check your emails often. If you're not checking them multiple times a day, you at least need to check it once a day, multiple times. So if you email a teacher and they email you back and then you don't email them back, then that was pointless. All right. So continuous contact. So emails are shown like a thread. In the subject line, you put 1 or 2 words like need help or something like that. And then in the body, you type the email. You type the entire email. okay? That's how that works. So that is the end of my little slideshow. I said have a good week. But I do want to show you the IXL. So IXL, you should be under learning. It should be under the word recommendations. I have a bunch of other stuff right here because this is a teacher, like a demo student, okay, demonstration student. So underneath here are your recommendations. This is basically IXL saying, hey, these are good things for you to work on. Guess what? I'm not IXL. I said you should work on these skills right here. You might have seen like 13, 9, I don't know, skills listed right here. As of Monday, you do not have that many. You have less, okay? I have changed it. You have specifically equations that we're working on now. Okay, we're moving on from the one-step stuff or the ordering number stuff and moving on to equations. So you will drop this down. On this one, you'll still see a bunch of the ordering numbers, but like I said, you won't have these. You start from the very bottom. The very bottom one, you'll open it up. That is the first one that I assign to you. As I keep assigning, it goes up higher and higher and higher, okay? Your SMART score down here shows you what your score is after you submit questions over and over again. So when your SMART score gets to an 80, you're done. You can go back to the learning, and it will take you, I gotta click recommendations. Y'all don't have to do that. And then it'll take you to the skills that you need, okay? It'll take you back to where you can find more skills to work on. So remember 80 or higher, and then you're good. If you are trying to email a teacher, let me show you what it would look like. Here's your Google. This is the little box that drops down. Oh, let me move my face over here. This is the little box that drops down. I have a lot more boxes than you do, but that's where your classroom is. This is where your Gmail is. When you go to Gmail, you can open it, and that's how you compose emails. That's how you find Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Meets. That's all right there. Gmail is this one. This is also Google Chat. You can chat with whoever, or not whoever, you can chat with teachers, okay? You can go to Google Chat and send a chat to a teacher. It pops up on our screen like a little notification, and it comes out as like a text message thread, okay? So it's pretty cool. It's simple, easy. It's what you use for quick responses. One more thing, IXL, your username and your password. Your username is your lunch number, and then the @CJH. So let me sign out just so I can show you this. If you are using the IXL, link that Conley gave you, it will have this @CJH at the end. If you didn't, if you went to IXL.com, it does not have this at the @CJH. It'll look like this. Let me show you. Oh. It'll look like that. And you will do your lunch number. So I'm going to pretend my lunch number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not, but your lunch number is 6 numbers. Then you put the @ symbol. Then you put CJH, and your password is ABCD. ABCD. Simple. Sign in. There you go. You're done. Okay? All right. If you have any other questions about how to do anything, like I said, about anything for this week, please let me know and I will help you. Okay, guys, have a good week. I will either see you on Monday, this next Monday, or see you online again. All right, bye-bye.